Hey guys, welcome back. So, this is going to be a quick one. So, have you ever wondered what makes a click sound? Or maybe start knowing what makes the click sound? Well, this, you can just take it apart and put it back on, so it's easy. But if you can see that white thing, if I press it and it would be quiet. That's what is making the sound. So when I go like that, it's actually, you can see like that, it's like going down on the white thing on both sides, and then it's making it's just louder because you and then this will make that sound. It's just like it's that blade, and you just click on it, and then it hits on something on the bottom. So that's how you make that sound. Because that's only like half of it, as you can see. So or maybe quarter of it, half, quarter, whatever. I mean, I know, but like it's either quarter or half. Can't really tell. I mean, I'd say it's partially both, but but then there's the rest of that, so you have to do that and click it down. Yeah, so if you wondered, I did not think this video would be 2 minutes, but peace, let's go. Please subscribe, please. Click, click.